High-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Moving air is called wind. It has been found that fast-blowing wind creates a region of low pressure. When the wind speed is very high, the roofs of huts or the tin sheet roofs of the godown are blown off. This is because when the high-speed winds blow over the roofs, it reduces the air pressure above the roofs. Thus, the higher air pressure below the roof exerts large force to lift up the roof, which can be blown away by the fast winds. The wings of an aeroplane are designed in such a way that air above them moves faster than the air below them. When the aeroplane runs on the runway, in order to take off, the air above the wings moves faster. The air pressure becomes very small as compared to the pressure below. The resultant upward push or lift makes the plane fly. Birds also fly in a similar way. Activity 4. High-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Things needed: 2 balloons of equal size, stick, thread, water. Method: we take 2 balloons of equal size. Fill a little water into both the balloons to make them slightly heavier and more stable. Inflate both the balloons by filling air into them and tie their mouths properly with strong threads. Hang the 2 inflated balloons about 10 cm apart on a stick with the help of threads tied to their mouths. If we blow air or wind hard into the gap between the 2 balloons from our mouth, we see that the 2 balloons come closer. Reason: when the high-speed air moves through the gap in between the balloons, the pressure of air falls in the gap. The air pressure on the outside of the balloons, being higher, pushes the 2 balloons towards each other and makes them come closer. Conclusion: high-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Activity 5. High-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Things needed: a piece of paper, an empty glass bottle. Method: we take a piece of paper and crumple it to make a small paper ball. We hold an empty glass bottle on its side horizontally and place the small paper ball in the neck of the bottle, just inside its mouth. We blow air into the bottle from our mouth to force the ball into the bottle. The paper ball does not go inside the bottle. Reason: when we blow air into the mouth of the bottle, then the air in the neck of the bottle has high speed. This reduces the air pressure in the neck of the bottle. The air pressure inside the bottle, being higher, constantly pushes the paper ball out and does not allow it to go inside the bottle. Conclusion: high-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Activity 6. High-speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Things needed: a strip of paper. Method: hold a strip of paper 20 cm long and 3 cm inside between your thumb and forefinger as shown in. Blow air over the surface of the paper strip. We will find that the strip of paper lifts up. Reason: when we blow air over the surface of a paper strip, the fast-moving air creates a region of low air pressure above the paper strip. The air pressure below the paper strip, being higher, pushes the paper strip upward and lifts it up. Conclusion: high-speed air or wind is accompanied by a reduced air pressure.